Welcome back to the channel. I'm continue working on wife's BMW X6M. In today's episode I came to decision that since I can't find the door panels that I need and I'm not willing to pay $1,500 or $2,000 for the door panel off of the dealer, I'm willing to wait. So as you guys know, my interior was screwed up that I sent out and I was waiting for this interior for 8 months to get it back and it wasn't done properly. Anyway, so I have this door right here. Armrest is black instead of red, and also doesn't have this fancy leather on top because it was never done. Off camera, I tried to fix this door a little. Came out, I think it came out really good. What you guys think? But I can't fix, I kinda can fix this, but then I will have a hole between the door and the panel. So I came to decision, what I'm gonna do is, I have X6, a regular door panel, which is right here. And I'm gonna be getting this, what is it, welds, grind off a little so I can pull it out this top section. It's different leather, different look, but at least I will not have a hole between the door. Let me show you what I mean. See, this one have a cover. That's where this blind goes. So it's gonna be different. Oh well, for now we can live with it because there's nothing. So let's begin finishing rear door first, then chop on the front one and do same exact thing. Only thing is I don't have a carbon fiber piece, but I'm thinking to do something different. I can live with that also, or we'll see. Let's just begin. Oh shit, this one is also broken, or I did broke it. Oh no, it's not broken, it's disconnected. Next. Now we need to glue this one on that door panel. Actually, I should say welded, not glued. I mean, why it wouldn't, right? Guess it was damaged, I guess. I guess we're not gonna be gluing. I totally forgot that I bought this special screws. Remember? I fixed the door panel for the GMC. So now I can actually actually, let's check it out first. How it came out. I guess kinda it's alright. I guess, maybe. I mean, it's livable. Let's go. Hopefully I can install it. Okay, what's this one for then? This one right here. This one is speaker. This one there. Ouch! Man. Yeah. Because there's not enough space, see? I need to get my hand behind in order to hook everything up. But there's not enough space for me to work. like never happened. This different color and that's it.
You can paint it.
Yeah, I was actually thinking to paint it, but the leather is different. I was worried that this thing have a lock and lock button, and if it does, that means I have to have a wiring over here, which I don't remember wiring here. Oh, door cranks up more. Moreno, see, Moreno leather, Moreno. Okay, this is done. This is done. Wow. Wow. Let's go finish the front.
Let's go.
Door panel. Door. Not the door. Door panel. I like the soft closing. I closed it all the way. Ooh. Fancy. So guys, this door is assembled back again. So install this, the armrest, and it's supposed to be red. And this is the one that they didn't even try to change the leather on it. So anyway, it's all back together. Right now, I need to install the glass on the front driver door. But in order to do that, I need to vacuum glass out of it, first of all, and second of all, you see that box over there, the window box. So that's actually window for a wrong car. That is wrong window. So I went ahead and purchased different one. It's already here, and I actually can. Oh, it's over here. So since door panel is ready, this is the glass that needs to be installed, and this is the wrong glass that I purchased. That wasn't my fault. That was ordered wrong. But this one is the right one for this one. Let's get the glass off of the door, install, and then we can install a door panel. but it looks good. It looks good. I mean, I don't like this, but if you don't look there, I'm ready. Okay, let's install the trim here. This I will leave it for later. I don't have Alcantara, I have a regular one, but that's gonna be lost. I wanna install the seal right now. But boom. Boom, boom. See, it's really good to have parts cars, because all the little things you don't have to wait. You just go and get it. But everything good? Good. No, not good. Broke? Did I broke or I was broken? So guys, completely done, as you saw, except the top. We're not gonna be worried about until I find the good door panels. I also saw a couple comments. Hey, you saw bad door panels, why'd you bought it? You think I'm that stupid, pay $200 or what is it, $350 for the bad molded door panel? You probably that bright. No, the picture showed the perfect nice, that's why I bought it and that's what I received. I don't understand how people think I'm willing to buy this shitty door panel like this. I'm like, do you even think before you type? So this door panel also somewhat complete. Like I said, when the new one gonna come out, I will replace it. This is totally different leather. This is totally different speaker. This speaker is Bang. What is it?
Bang Olufsen.
Bang Olufsen, and so is this one here, so is this one here, so is this one here. I need to buy 3 speakers. I need to find them, buy them. But again, I'll do that later on. Also, I need to find silver piece like the one over there. So this one, see, on the door. So yeah. Right here I'm kinda done. I still need to assemble the hood release and all that here, but I will leave that for later on because I wanna finish under the hood. Whatever rubber stuff, I will attach it. We'll go into town tomorrow and I will buy double sticky tape and all that stuff. So what I wanted to do right now is reassemble under the hood whatever I can. We can install this sounding, also plug some holes, also install all of these plastics. I noticed I have one broken plastic that goes in here. I will have to reorder it. I will install it right now, and then of course off camera I will replace that, because there's no point for me right now to wait all of this and then when it's gonna show up do it. I want this thing to be done, so I'll do whatever I can, and whatever I don't have it or broken, I'll put it anyway and gonna replace it without camera. So unfortunately, I mean, if you don't trust me, it's your problem. So let's let's start putting this stuff back together and see what else I'm missing, what else needs to be ordered. Alright, so I did everything that I can under the hood. Few parts that I need to order, but I did everything. This you saw I was bidding on because we can't twist this, it got stuck. I guess I will order a new one or a used one from eBay, whatever, to finish it up. Also, this latch is kind of broken. There is supposed to be a stopper. Stopper is gone, so it doesn't go in there. So both of them needs to be replaced, but now I actually can close the hood and can drive the vehicle. You also can see I install all the necessary plastics back. This needs to be ordered. This is gonna get filled in, and I'm gonna do carbon fiber, so it's fine. There's nothing in there. It's just like a, for the look, it's continuous. So there's a pipe actually inside, so it's continuous. Other than that, everything looks good here. You guys saw with the doors. I can't slam my hood because the stopper needs to go, but this one is locked and this one is locked. Everything looks good. Yeah. Oh, by the way, Yuri we totally forgot to mention that. So Yuri prepared all the parts that's necessary for paint. So side skirts, and also all of these parts, the roof sealers or whatever you wanna call them, flares, antenna cover, handles. What else? Oh, we're missing spoiler, M spoiler, and M spoiler is on the original body. So tomorrow we need to not forget and grab that before we paint. And also I think we need to get the mirror caps, paint them, and then later on if I decide that I want to wrap them in carbon fiber, I'll pull them out and we'll do that. It's gonna be easier that way. And of course tomorrow we're gonna be doing a lot of driving, ordering more parts, or we'll see. But we need man, really? Look, I've been looking for this freaking latch all over the place, right? Look, exactly what I need with the stopper.
Let's change.
Yeah, let's do it. I mean, I need to fix this one first. You know, let's leave it for another. And there's supposed to be another one like this. There was on this side. What did they change? I don't remember. This one is bent pretty badly. But there's this thing. But you cannot do nothing with it because it's attached to it. Sucks. No, it's okay. I'll order new ones and that's it. I don't want to fight it. It's been way too much fighting already. So, guys, we're gonna wrap it up this episode right here. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, smash the like button. If you want to see inside scoop before everything comes out YouTube, check out Instagram Salvagemasterv. Thank you for stopping by. I'll catch you in the next one.